Dear students, in this video we shall read the story of European blacksmith who later became a painter. Now let us read. In 15th century Antwerp, a master blacksmith called Quentin Massey fell in love with a painter's daughter. The father would not accept a son-in-law in such a profession, so Quentin sneaked into the painter's studio and painted a fly on his latest panel with such delicate realism that the master tried to sweat it away before he realized what had happened. Quentin was immediately admitted as an apprentice into his studio. He married his beloved and went on to become one of the most famous painters of his age. These two stories illustrate what each form of art is trying to achieve: a perfect illusionistic likeness in Europe, the essence of inner life and spirit in Asia. The narrator, Nathalie Trauray, here describes that in the 15th century there was a master blacksmith and his name was Quentin Massey. The master blacksmith Quentin Massey fell in love with a painter's daughter. He loved a painter's daughter, but the painter, who was the father of his beloved, did not accept him as a son-in-law because his profession, the profession of a blacksmith, was not equal to the profession of a painter. The painter considered his profession superior in comparison to the profession of a blacksmith, and so he refused to marry his daughter to Quentin Massey. So, as Quentin Massey was bent upon getting married with his beloved, so one day when the painter was not inside his studio, Quentin Massey secretly entered into his studio and painted a fly on his latest panel. When the master painter entered, he saw a fly on his painting. He thought that it was a real fly and he tried to swat the fly away, but later he came to know that someone had made a fly and it was looking as a real fly. It had a delicate realism. Now he was told that it was no one else but Quentin Massey who had entered his studio and had made that fly on his painting. Now the master painter was so pleased with his art that he immediately took Quentin Massey as an apprentice into his studio. He taught him about the art, and later Quentin Massey became one of the most famous painters of his age. He got married with his beloved, and now the narrator says that these stories, the story of European art, shows illusionistic likeness, whereas the story of Asian art shows the essence of inner life and its spirit. In the Chinese story, the emperor commissions a painting and appreciates its outer appearance, but the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. The emperor may rule over the territory he has conquered, but only the artist knows the way within. Let me show the way, the Tao, a word that means both, the path or the method, and the mysterious works of the universe. The painting is gone, but the artist has reached his goal beyond any material appearance. The author here describes about the Chinese story that as the emperor had ordered Wu Daoji to make a painting. Wu Daoji made that painting. The emperor appreciated that painting, but the emperor could only think of its outer appearance. The emperor was appreciating its outer appearance, but the artist Wu Daoji knew the way within. He could reveal the way to the emperor as he told him, "Let me show you the way." He wanted the emperor to he wanted to guide the emperor the way he had known, and here it shows that the emperor can rule over his territory. The emperor can rule over his kingdom that he has conquered, the territory that he has conquered. But it is the work of an artist, only the artist knows the way within. as the artist himself had told that he should be allowed to show the way to the emperor. The Dao is a word which means both the path or the method and the mysterious works of the universe. The narrator here says that Dao means the way, the path or the method, and also the mysterious works of the nature. The author here describes that the painting that had been made by Wu Daoji is no more there. The painting disappeared from that place, the painting vanished from that place, but the artist Wu Daoji has reached his goal beyond any material appearance. What the painter achieved, it is impossible for others to achieve that what Wu Daoji had achieved. Dear students, remaining in the next video.